Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last time I've discussed about the rules of exponent. Okay, so I discussed the three rules: the product, the first rule or the first power rule, and the second power rule. So this time I'll be discussing another rule, and that is the division rule of exponent or the quotient rule of exponent. In the quotient rule of exponent, to divide exponential expressions with the same bases, we keep the base and subtract the exponent. So in other words, if we are dividing this, these are the exponential expressions, okay? So they have the same bases. So what do? We just have to keep the base, copy the base, and then after, we are going to subtract the exponent m and n. So a raised to the m power over a raised to the n power is equal to a raised to m minus n. So ibig sabihin, isusubtract natin siya. Okay, so whenever we have this kind of exponential expression, yung division, we are going to use the division rule of exponent or yung quotient rule of exponent. So, mag-subtract lang tayo ng exponent niya, ikokopya lang natin yung bases niya. Okay? So, to further understand that, let's take a look at these examples. So, example number 1, 6 raised to the 5th power over 6 raised to the 3rd power. So, as the rule says, we just have to copy the bases. So, yung bases niya parehong 6. So, ikokopya lang natin yung 6 dito. And then after, what do we do with the exponent? We are going to subtract the exponent. So, susulat natin 5 minus 3. So, the final answer here will be 6 raised to 5 minus 3 is 2. So, the final answer is 6 raised to the 2nd power. Okay? Next is, what if we have this kind? 4 x raised to the 4th power times x raised to the 3rd power over x raised to the 5th power. So, ang gagawin natin dito, first, we need to simplify. May dalawang x's tayo dito. So, unang-unang gagawin natin, we have to use the product rule. So, ano ulit ang product rule? Ang product rule, it states that we just need to copy the same bases and then after, we add the exponents. So, yun yung product rule. So, yung unang-una natin gagawin, isi-simplify natin to para magkaroon lang ng iisang base. Okay? So, we just have to copy 4 here. 4 and then x kasi we just need to copy the bases and then after add the exponent. 4 plus 3 over x raised to the 5th power is equal to what? 4 x to the 7th power over x to the 5th power. Okay? So, now that we already simplify, the next thing na gagawin natin is we are going to apply the rule of the division rule or the quotient rule. So, next is, since x at saka x to, we are dividing. So, ang gagawin natin, we are going to subtract. Okay, so the final answer here will be 4. Kokopyahin lang natin yung 4 and then x 7 minus 5 is equal to 4x raised to the 2nd power. So, that is the final answer. Okay, so 4x raised to the 2nd power. Okay, next, what if we have this? So, actually, this one and this, they're the same. But this time, we also have coefficient or numbers. So, if we have this kind of numbers, ang unang-unang gagawin pa rin natin, since we have b raised to the 5th power here and b raised to the 2nd power here, ang gagawin natin, we simplify that using the product rule again. So, kukopyahin natin yung 5 and then we copy b. And then, yung product rule is, we just have to add the exponent kasi nagmumultiply tayo dito. So, 5 plus 2 will be 7 over, kokopyahin lang natin yung 15 dito, and then b raised to the 4th power. Next is, we're going to simplify this further. So, 5 over 15. So, this is fraction. Diba? Fraction form siya. So, ang gagawin natin, we have to simplify 5 over 15 by cancellation. 5 and 15 can be divided by 5. So, 5 divided by 5, that will be 1. And 15 divided by 5 will be 3. So, simplifying fractions ang ginawa natin dyan. So, ang mangyayari, we have 1 over 3 tayo dyan. And then, the next is, what are we going to do with the exponential expressions here? Dahil division nga, ang gagawin natin, we are going to subtract the exponent. So, we copy B here, and then 7 minus 4. Okay, so simplifying it further, the answer will be what? B, 7 minus 4 is 3 over 3. Okay? So, this is the final answer. Bakit over 3 dito? Kasi ito is 1/3. And then, B raised to the third power. Okay? Since yung B naman ay nandito sa gitna, ibig sabihin, we just have to multiply 1 times B here. So, magiging B raised to the third power over yung 3 na denominator natin. Okay? So, that's how we divide or simplify division rule of exponents. Okay, so sa division rule of exponent, you can apply the other rules. Okay, so in this example, we apply the product rule also. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you learned something. Again, this is Teacher Luis, your mommy tutor. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel, and always click the notification bell so that you'll be updated sa mga susunod ko pang videos. Bye! Thank you!